Before we start this page, we're going to refer back to the learning objective in Lesson 6, which is measure and compare lengths using centimeters and meters. Instead of measuring with a ruler on this page, the lengths have already been provided for us. We're looking at a measurement of line J, which is 60 centimeters long, line K, which is 85 centimeters long, and line L, which is 1 meter long. And in previous lessons, we've learned that 1 meter equals 100 centimeters. And to keep our units uniform on this problem, we're going to refer to 1 meter always as 100 centimeters. For the first problem, it says line J is blank centimeters shorter than line K. Again, we've learned that that means we're finding the difference between the lengths of two lines. We're starting out with line J, and it says line J is shorter. When we find the difference, we're going to find the longer length first. We're going to look for line K, which is 85 centimeters long. We're going to subtract the shorter length of line J, which is 60 centimeters long. When I'm subtracting 85 minus 60, I'm going to decompose 85 into 80 plus 5 and subtract the 60. Now I have 8 tenths or 80 minus 6 tenths or 60, and I know that's 2 tenths or 20. I'm left with 5 plus 20, and that is 25. Line J is 25 centimeters shorter than line K. We'll look at the next problem that says line L is blank centimeters longer than line K. We know line L is longer than line K. We'll find the length of line L, which is 1 meter, but we're going to refer to it as 100 centimeters. Again, we're finding the difference by comparing the two lengths, and we're comparing it with line K, which is shorter. Line K is 85 centimeters long. If I'm subtracting and decomposing my number, I know that 85, again, is 80 plus 5. And I'm subtracting all that from 100. I'm going to start with 100 minus 80 first, and I know that's a difference of 2 tenths or 20. I'm also subtracting 100 minus the extra 5, so we have to take that 5 away from 20, and I know that's a difference of 15. 100 minus 85 is 15. Line L is 15 centimeters longer than line K. Moving on with the page, we've had similar problems previously. We're looking at line J doubled is blank centimeters more than line L. Line J doubled means we see line J twice. So we're going to take 60, which is the length of line J, and add it to itself, 60, which is the length of line J. We're going to take all of that and subtract it from line L, which is 100 centimeters. When looking at the next problem, it says lines J, K, and L combined are blank centimeters. And I'm just going to review with you again. Combined means we're putting things together by adding. For problems 4A through 4E, we're continuing with our lesson objective of comparing lengths or finding the difference between lengths. One problem I did want to point out is 4C, which says, what is the difference between the height of the tallest chair and the height of the shortest chair? So what we're going to have to do is refer to our chart up above and find the height of the tallest chair and the height of the shortest chair. We can see when we compare numbers, we have 51 centimeters, 55 centimeters, 97 centimeters, and 65 centimeters. I can tell that 97 centimeters is the tallest chair, and 51 centimeters is the shortest chair. We want to find the difference between the height of the tallest and the height of the shortest chair. In order to do that, we subtract. So I'm going to take 97 and subtract 51. When I decompose the numbers, 97 is 90 plus 7, and all of that subtracting 50 plus 1. I know that 90 minus 50, or 9 tenths minus 5 tenths, is 4 tenths. And 7 ones minus 1 1 is 6 ones. And I know that 40 plus 6 is 46. The difference between the tallest chair and the shortest chair is 46 centimeters.